Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be talking about the Brother P-Touch D210 portable printer. My wife got this from Lazada, and this is not your typical unboxing since this is already unboxed. But I'm just gonna talk about this product and show you how to use it, just in case you decide to have one of your own. Right off the bat, if you're gonna get this package, this comes with 2 free tapes inside, just like what's indicated in this box. And the size of this, in terms of the width of the tape that you're gonna get, is 12 millimeters. And depende sa model ng printer na kukunin ninyo, yung mga pwedeng magkasya na size ng tapes in terms of the width. This particular model can accept 3.5 to 12 millimeters in width. Ito ang sample cartridge niya. Parang cassette tape lang. Okay. What comes inside this box is the printer itself, yung kasamang 2-pack na tape cartridge. Okay. And then the tape guide, just this. The tape guide basically just states that there are multiple variations of this tape na pwede mong mabili, and it comes in different sizes and can be used in different purposes. So merong pang iron-on, merong laminated type, which is this one here. Then there's another one that's tamper-proof, na pag tinanggal mo siya from after sticking it on and then you're gonna peel it off, mag-iiwan siya ng mga checkerboards. Then itong isa is yung matte silver na pwede sa electrical and whatever equipment na pwedeng magamit. And isang flexible ID tape, which is from what you're stating, that is good for labeling around sharp bends or cylindrical surfaces or cables. Next is the strong adhesive tape, so mas matibay yung adhesive niya. And this one is for the acid-free adhesive tape, which is good for photos. Okay, and it has multiple sizes. So yung model na meron tayo ngayon is from 3.5 to 12 millimeters. Merong isa na mas malapad, which is the 18 millimeters na hindi kasya sa printer na to. So you need to get a higher version of this to use the 18 millimeters. It's stating here na yung mga versions na meron dito can only be found in certain sizes. So hey, at least that's good to know. There you have it. Some sample photos of how you use the product. And medyo na-intriga ako dito sa pang iron on fabric tape. Maybe in the future we're gonna purchase that one and also do another video about it. Okay. In the meantime, let's talk about the other thing. Here we have the warranty card and the user manual. Medyo makapal-kapal siya. Marami siyang functions actually. Okay. First is, how do we open this? Meron siyang latch dito sa taas na you just need to apply a bit of pressure and then just pull down. So yan, para tayo nagbukas ng lumang cassette player. And then we're gonna put in our batteries. Ito medyo confusing at first. Double stack yung batteries niya, and it medyo matako siya sa batteries. So it uses 6 AAAs. Okay. For the bottom layer, make sure that all the polarities, the positive polarity is pointing down. And then yung topmost layer is the one that's pointing upwards. Unfortunately, wala siyang kasamang DC adapter. Kung may variable adapter kayo, set it to 9 volts and change the polarity to negative. Okay, so once inserted, you can put in your tape. Ito lang siya. Shoot nyo lang. And just make sure na itong part na to, itong lip, is in the middle of these two parts here. Okay, naka shoot siya sa gitna. Okay, then that's it. Just close the device and turn it on. So medyo mahirap mabasa yung screen niya. Let's see if we can adjust this. Yun lang yung maybe complaint ko for this device is wala siyang backlight for the LCD. And kung madilim yung area mo, you won't be able to see it that well. So here, so once na ma-on mo siya, you can just type directly. So and it also retains kung ano yung last na tinype mo. And it uses like your normal QWERTY keyboard setup. And parang keyboard lang talaga na if you hold down shift, teka, naka-caps pala ako. So if you hold down shift, uppercase, then para uppercase ulit, just hold down shift. And you can also have the caps lock on para lahat uppercase. So just fix this. Okay, once you're ready to print, you can just click on print, or you can also have the option of changing the font. So if you click on font here, may mga pwede kang pagpilian. First is the font type. If you click on font, then go to here, kita mong 1 out of 5 and font. If you click on OK, you can choose the type of fonts na meron siya. It has 14 styles that you can choose from. So let's say we'll go with Belgium. So if I click on OK, it's already accepted here. And then if I click on font again, I can change the size. So you have 3 choices. One is large, medium, and small. So let's go with the default large and hit on accept. And then you can also change the width of the font kung gaano kalapad. So we have 3 designs as well, yung normal, extra wide, and much narrower, like half ng width ng isang letra. Okay, so let's go with the normal one. And then if I go and check the font again, meron tayong font styles. So like one with the shadow, italics, outline. Madaming options. Magsasawa ka, kakatingin-tingin lang. And then here, if I click on label, hopefully nakikita nyo pa yung screen ko. So we can adjust kung gaano ka lapad yung magiging spacing natin once na matapos yung print. So later I'm gonna show you how that works. And if you don't want to change anything, just press escape to go back to the previous menu. So here, if I click on frame, meron tayo yung frame designs. So once na mag-print siya, meron siyang border or frames, depende sa kung anong style yung napili mo. For me, this is a bit excessive na, so hindi namin masyadong ginagamit to. We just go with the standard blank frame. Then for the symbol, you can have whatever your mathematical symbols, escape. Then mga brackets natin, arrows, units. Madami ka pwedeng gawin talaga dito. And then last is the template library. If I just go back and go to the template library, once we select our design, ito siya. Basically, kung anong text na piniprint mo, for each letter, meron siyang lalabas na corresponding design. Okay, let's go right to printing. I'll just print this out. Once na ma-type mo yung kailangan mo ma-print, just click on the print button. Then it's gonna ask you how many copies you need, and then just click on OK if it's just one copy. If you need more, you can go up or down. Just press right or left to choose how many copies you need, and then click on OK. Then ito na siya, and this already printed. If you need to cut it, just hit this switch and it's gonna manually cut it. So yun, kanina nabanggit ko yung sa mga margins. So ito yung margin niya na once you print this, it's gonna have the space at the beginning and at the end. Unfortunately, itong part na to, this is fixed. So may extra tapon talaga. So ginagawa namin is we just print, we type a lot of things and then we print it in one go. Then we just use the scissors and cut it manually para tipid sa tape. So ito yung 12mm tape na kasama dito sa bundle na to. And then itong tape to, actually natuwa ako dahil sobrang ganda yung this style niya na para ma-peel mo yung sticker na to. Let me just cut this up. Okay. So, yung sticker na to is hindi mo siya ipipilasin from the corner like what we usually do, but instead pinadali niya yung method, which is basically we fold this just a bit and then meron na siyang pre-made na hiwa. I'm just gonna peel that off instead na yung from the corners tayo and masisira pa natin yung stickers. And there you have it. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and nakatulong sa pag-decide kung worth it sa inyo itong product na to or not. Hope you like and subscribe. Adios.